Well, today is Monday. It's happened to be, but today I have something again out of the category of artificial arm, as you can see. And my friend Brian, which this is again for him, he wanted to have something that has gears and then rotate some kind of a crank mechanism. But what I did is I added gears also on this side. So as he cranks, it's also moving on this side. So I hope that he's going to like it. I'm taking it tonight to the Makers Club, and he's going to be there, and he's going to test it out and see if it's going to work for him. And I'm very happy how it turned out. Um, I had a friend of mine, Harry, not Harry this time, but Howard this time, here, and we designed these gears ourselves, and um, I think they turned out just fine. So there it is. The hand is his own hand. This part that's uh, was casted in a mold, and then he scanned it, and I re- uh, inverted it from left hand to right hand. So he has uh, that's his real hand. Um, anyway, I think it's turned out pretty good. Um, this little gap in here is there because these two were not made at the same time, but I don't think it's hurting anything. And I hope that he's going to enjoy it and show it off and have some fun with it. I made sure that I printed several different color gears on both sides. So there we go. That's it for today. You have a fantastic day. Give me thumbs up and spread the news. Talk to you later. Bye bye.